Welcome back to our channel. Today, we discussing about 7 powerful ways to overcome loneliness. Have you ever felt alone, even when you're surrounded by people? Have you ever felt a deep emptiness, even in a crowded room? Or spent an entire day in silence, wondering why it felt so loud? Loneliness. It's something almost everyone experiences. It's not a flaw. It's not a weakness. It's a feeling. And the good news is, it won't last forever. Today, let's talk about how we can gently move it along. In this video, we're going to explore 7 powerful, practical ways to overcome loneliness. Not just tips, but real, meaningful actions. Let's begin. 1. Talking to loved ones. Sometimes we forget. Our people are just a phone call away. Maybe you feel like you'd bother them. But trust me, you won't. Start small. Send a message. Make a short call. Or just say, "Hey, was thinking about you." Example, message an old friend. "Hey, remember those old school days? Just wanted to check on you." A 5-minute chat can lift your heart in ways you won't expect. 2. Visiting new places. Our environment shapes our mood. Same 4 walls, same lonely thoughts, but step into a new place, a park, a cafe, a beach, and suddenly, life feels different. Example, it's Saturday morning, don't stay in bed, get dressed, grab a coffee, sit by the beach or under a tree. Feel the air, watch the people. Let the world remind you it's still moving, and so can you. 3. Trying new flavors. Food carries emotion. A new flavor can spark joy in an otherwise dull day. What to do? Try a new recipe. Visit a new restaurant. Order something you've never had. Example, feeling low? Open YouTube. Pick a simple recipe. Maybe creamy pasta or a hot soup. Cook for yourself. Light a candle. Play soft music. The aroma in your kitchen will lift your spirit more than you can imagine. 4. Developing hobbies. When your hands are busy, your heart feels lighter. A hobby is not a pastime. It's an expression of who you are inside. Pick one. Reading, painting, playing an instrument, gardening, dancing, photography. Example, pick up that book lying in the corner. Or start a simple journal. Write your thoughts. Don't aim for perfection. Just enjoy the doing. 5. Engaging in social activities. Loneliness often whispers, "You're alone." But when you meet people who share your values, that voice fades away. Where to start? Volunteer. Join a book club. Attend a community event. Join an online group. Example, if you love teaching, help kids at a local NGO. The gratitude in their smiles. It's medicine for the soul. 6. Practicing self-care. Sometimes the relationship you need to heal is the one with yourself. Self-care isn't a luxury. It's survival. What to do? Start the morning with deep breaths. Do some stretching. Run a warm bath. Play soothing music. Example, overwhelmed? Light a candle. Fill the room with calming music. And just be. No guilt, no pressure. Remember, you matter. 7. Setting new personal goals. When you have something to work towards, life feels purposeful. What kind of goals? Learn a new skill. Start a blog or podcast. Set a simple daily routine. Example, feeling stuck? Choose one free online course. Photography, digital design, communication. Each small step is progress. And progress kills loneliness. Conclusion, loneliness doesn't define you. It's just a feeling, and feelings pass. So take that step. Call someone. Step outside. Try something new. Create something. Help someone. Care for yourself. Set a goal. These small acts create momentum. And momentum changes everything. Remember, you are never truly alone. There's a whole world waiting for you. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. What's one thing you do to overcome loneliness? Let's build a circle of strength together. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, stay kind,